finance enthusiasts and savvy investors. Welcome to the Investing Iguana YouTube channel, your new financial compass in the bustling world of investing. I'm Iggy, your host and guide through the intricate maze of Singapore's stock market, REITs, and all things personal finance. In today's introduction, we're going on a journey that will change the way you look at your money, your investments, and perhaps even your future. But first, let me share a little bit about why you're in the right place. Recently, our channel received a shout out that's as thrilling as it is humbling. We've been featured and ranked 8th in the 2023 Influential Tigers by none other than Tiger Brokers Singapore. Being called the go-to source of information on stocks and shares for Tiger Broker users isn't just an accolade, it's a responsibility we take seriously. Here at Investing Iguana, we're not just about numbers and charts. We're about you, your dreams, your goals, and your financial well-being. Whether you're a seasoned investor looking to diversify your portfolio or a newbie setting foot in the investment world, we've got something for everyone. Our focus? It's all about Singapore and our neighbors. From the high-rise towers of our bustling city to the tranquil shores of Malaysia, we're covering the investments that matter to you. Think of us as your insider to the best stocks, REITs, and investment schemes this side of the globe has to offer. And for those of you who love a good analyst call, we're right there with you. We review these calls, breaking down complex financial jargon into simple, understandable insights. Our goal? To empower you with a comprehensive update on the market, helping you make informed decisions that could potentially improve your wealth. But investment isn't just about stocks and shares. It's about knowing all the tools at your disposal. That's why we're also talking about CPF, SRS, and other related schemes that could give your financial plans a significant boost. Now, I know what you're thinking. Finance can be dry and daunting, but here's where we add a twist. Investing Iguana is all about making finance fun, engaging, and most importantly, understandable. No more head scratching or frustration, just clear, concise, and compelling content that you'll actually enjoy. And because we know the world of finance is ever evolving, we're not just sticking to the script. From time to time, we'll explore other related content that might tickle your financial fancy, because who doesn't love a little variety? So why should you stick around? Because whether you're in Singapore, Malaysia, or anywhere else in the world, the Investing Iguana is here to guide you through the financial jungle. We're not just a channel, we're a community. And we're all about growing together, learning together, and ultimately succeeding together. Before you dive into our content, remember to hit that subscribe button, not just to support the channel, but to ensure you never miss out on the insights that could help you navigate your financial journey with confidence. Thanks for tuning in to this introduction. Stick around because the Investing Iguana is just getting started, and trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Here's to making informed investment decisions and to a future where your wealth isn't just a dream, but a reality. See you in the next video.